Is there anything more painful? I mean, that's what I just keep thinking of. Previous role I had, it's been, man, 7, 8 years ago, but I was in the purchasing side. And if you're having to just buy a casting and then you get it in, and then you got to send it out to get machined, and then you get it back in, and then you got to send it out to get heat treated, and then you get it back in, then you got to send it out to get coated and back in and back and forth and polish and all that. I mean, is there anything more painful? Again, from my previous role, it seems like a nightmare. Does the shop really maintain not only the casting side of things, but the polishing RMS that is required of the product to have a good coated finish, to have really good tight machining tolerances? If you handle that all in-house and you have the processes and the programs in place in-house, that saves so much time and money for purchasing departments that have to get that in and send it back out, and get it in and send it back out, and not even including all the shipping costs in your time and effort to be able to do that.